Hi guys, shooting live from home Remy. Today is the 7th of December. We've been on vacation with my boyfriend. We're about to leave, and guess what? He proposed. I'm engaged. It doesn't feel real, but yeah, I'm very happy. I am so excited. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to be Mrs. K. So yeah, this is the start of a new vlog that's gonna take forever to shoot because it's gonna be the behind the scenes of everything, like every little milestone that we're gonna get, that we're gonna go. This is a vlog where I'm gonna be shooting behind the scenes of everything, every step that we're gonna take towards our big day, which is our wedding day. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. I hope you guys are happy for us because I'm genuinely happy. This man treats me like a queen, like a princess. From day one, he has always treated me like a princess, and I appreciate him. I love him, and yeah, I want to live with him for the rest of my life. So yeah, let's get on with the journey. I'm gonna keep this vlog till the very end because I don't want to share the news now. So I just thought, let me tell you guys now. I proposed this morning. I think it's around, it's about 11:12. Let's go. Hi, let's go. Let me take the keys. Bye. Let me show you guys my view with my ring.
Broken future
In this room. You know that Emma is getting married?
Huh?
I'm getting married.
I know.
You know?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Happy?
You are happy for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get you presents.
You're gonna give me a present?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, my baby. So what do you wanna do?
Like
You know that you're gonna be like my flower girl.
flower?
Yeah.
Are you gonna carry me as a flower?
No, you're gonna be carrying a basket with flowers that you're gonna throw like along the way before I walk down the aisle.
Also other kids.
No, it's probably just gonna be you and Melinda.
Yeah.
You excited?
My friend.
Yeah.
I never seen my friend in a lot of months and years.
You miss her?
Yeah, I haven't seen her in 2 years.
I know. It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's not 2 years. But it's been a long time.
12 plus 12.
It's 24.
24.
Mm.
I haven't seen her in 24 months.
Imagine. So do you wanna like stay with us or what?
Where?
Well, after. I think I'm gonna stay in Mahalapa for a bit.
Yeah.
But when we come to Gaborone, do you wanna stay with us?
Where?
I don't know. We're gonna have to look for a house.
Yeah.
Do you wanna stay with us?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good, baby.
Is Lydia gonna stay with you guys?
We'll have to ask her, mommy.
Please say yes.
We'll ask her, okay?
Yeah.
Mm.
When are you getting married?
In July.
July?
Mm-hmm.
That's so far.
Is it far?
Yeah.
Everybody thinks it's so soon.
January, February, March, April,
But
May,
January is ending
June,
now.
July.
So we literally have only February, March, April, May, June to plan. So we have 5 months to plan everything. Imagine. No, it's 5 months because it's end of January now. So February, March, April, May, June. July is gonna be beginning of July, so
We have to get you presents?
yes.
How many?
I don't know how many do you want to get me?
As much as we want, right?
Yes, please.
How many should I get you?
I don't know how many can you afford. If you have money, you can buy a lot. If you don't have money, it's fine. You can just buy one or two.
I'm saving money for your present.
Thank you, baby. You're so sweet.
I'll forget about I'll forget about the iPhone.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll save more money if I see.
Okay. Thank you.
I think I'm gonna afford an iPhone as a present for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. That would be nice.
If I have a lot of money though.
Yeah, that would be really nice. Thank you. Wanna give me a hug?
Yeah?
I'll give you a hug. So you like Hosata?
Huh?
Do you like him?
Do
I mean, do you like him
like?
as like your parent?
Yeah.
You do?
He's my parent, of course.
Okay.
He's gonna be my father.
Yeah. So you love him? You want him to be your father?
Yeah.
That's good.
You're
Baby.
my mother.
Yeah.
And the little dog will be the
Your sister.
small sister though. I'll be
She's older than you.
no, how old is she?
She's 1 month older than you.
I'll be 1 month.
She turns in her birthday is in September. Your birthday is in October. So
Right.
she was born first.
And then I was born after him.
Yes.
After,
So she
after
is
just
older.
0 months.
Yeah, after a month.
Mm-hmm. But I'm still older than her.
She's older than you.
No.
She's older than you, I'm telling you.
How old is she?
She's 6 years old.
I'm also 6.
Yes, but she's gonna turn 7 before you.
Yeah, and I'm gonna turn 7 after here, so
She's your older sister.
no. And then we're gonna be twins.
Yeah, you are twins.
Yeah, so what's the matter?
There's nothing. I didn't say anything, did I?
So why are you saying she's my older sister?
Because she's older than you, baby.
She's gonna be older than me in how many months?
She's 1 month older than you.
Okay.
Just 1 month. So after a month, like a month after her birthday is your birthday.
I know.
Okay.
But I'm turning early.
Oh, no, baby. Oh, thank you. How do you feel? I'm so happy. Aww. What's this for? Thank you. Something. What? Oh, these are so nice.
There's a card
inside. Yeah, I can see. I'm gonna read it just now. Oh, this is so cute. Look at it. No, this is so cute.
Oh, so it's your engagement. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
What do you have? Let's see the flowers properly.
That's so cute. Which I was just thinking what flowers.
And what do you have on the other hand?
Darling.
Pop champagne.
Shampoo.
You made in your heart grew just to die. And now you're damaged goods.
To say congratulations on the engagement. I know I haven't been updating you guys, but I basically told her last week. I told my mom first and then I told her. And then I told my friend. So yeah, she sent my friend to get these and deliver them to my house. So I'm really, really happy. Yeah. They smell so good. How pretty. These are so me. Like they say me. And then also got a card. Here we go.
I know what it says.
What does it say?
I read it.
And then some champagnes. Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna have this. It's definitely not today.
Okay, guys.
That's really at the back.
Now it's time to read what Auntie Rizzi got for Mommy.
But you can't read it out loud.
It was
Damn, it should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you. What happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby?
You don't have to mention it.
It's okay, whatever speech.
To great things,
Canada toast.
To
Lord, you begin
stressless
Yeah.
living and new beginnings
Mm-hmm.
and joy, peace, love,
Yeah.
happiness. Yeah.
and from me, congratulations on your engagement.
Big congratulations! Yeah! Yes! Yes! Aww. Yes, good luck. Yes, congratulations, girl.
Wishing you a happy life.
Aww. Let's go. Pop it. Yes. 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 To life. To life, baby.
congratulations.
Big congratulations. And I wish you so good. Yeah.
Congrats, Khaizai.
Congratulations, daughter.
Aww.
Wishing you all the best. All the best. A happy life.
Congratulations.
Good health.
Yeah.
Aww.
Congratulations once more.
Cheers to her new beginnings, to her life, to her marriage and everything. Yes,
To the children.
yes, yes, guys.
Rehead. Sabawel.
Yes.
Rehead.
Mm.
Mata lalu. Let's treasure.
Congratulations.
Thank you, baby. You want a hug?
Aww.
Orang mutu happy acara ini. Kau mana mana kamu?
Apa kamu lagi? Ini ada pagkalala buiken.
Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life. But if you need
If anybody asks where I am, tell them I'm gallivanting with my boyfriend.
a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here.
morning guys. I haven't vlogged in such a long time. It feels so good. Honestly, I've been going through the most. Like, I feel like when I'm ready, we will have a talk. We will have like a serious talk, you guys and I. Okay. Yeah. I have been going through it. Like, I've been going through the most. But today, this vlog is not about that, child. This vlog is not about that at all. Today is a Sunday. I am going to church. I'm going to meet Melinda, and then we're gonna go for brunch. She said we should go to the Creole Cafe in Pakalane. So that's good. I'm excited. I'm wearing this striped turtleneck thing that I got from a Chinese shop. More complex in your like shopping. So yeah.
And now that you're alone, you're on my phone.
But as and when there's a job,
Cinnamon rolls.
Thank you.
Okay.
They come in pairs.
Emma. So I'm weekly so let's start practicing what I'm going to do.
It's a takeaway. Why should they come in pairs?
I hope it's nice.
Mommy, who can teach you? Anybody can teach you. I will teach you.
Okay.
But the young kids, is there no something I think I can put it?
What is that? Looks nice though.
Thank you.
Hey guys, lighting is not the best. I promise I'm gonna be really quick. So Melinda had some issues. She couldn't make it to the brunch. So Taps and I had a long overdue breakfast date. So yeah, I checked if she was free. She said she was, and I asked her for us to go, and we did. We went to Avani. They have I don't know if it's like a pastry something. It's quite pricey, but it's okay. I mean, it's okay. I had the chocolate cake. It was too sweet. I couldn't even finish it. I took it as takeaway. I also had that quiche. I'm not a vegetable person, but it's not bad. Honestly, it's not bad. Taps ordered the carrot cake as well as the cinnamon roll. They're okay. They're alright. Like, nothing to write home about. So yeah, I just thought let me update you guys on that part. I managed to go to Besco Hyper. To restock the girlies. I'm so happy I found them. So I took the strawberry flavor for myself and then the peach for my friend.
Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life.
So tell me about the wedding things that you guys have. What's included in the wedding price, whatever?
It's still
Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Yeah. Wasted, loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game.
Hey guys, so I haven't updated this vlog in forever, so you guys know I'm gonna whisper a little because my parents are in the sitting room, they're in the living room waiting for visitors. So what had happened was we've been engaged, we've been fighting, okay? It's been literally hell. It felt like hell. I don't think we enjoyed the first year of us being engaged, but it's okay. It's all turning around now. We are about to get married. We are planning our wedding. We are planning our wedding. I'm not wearing my ring. So what's happening today is that my fiance's family is gonna come here today. So this camera cut me off because I don't have memory, so I started deleting a few videos. So what I was saying is that we are expecting visitors here. So my fiance's family is coming today, basically to see the house, because this is where our Mahadi or battle is going to be done, my mom's house. So traditionally I am a Moato as well as my partner. So I don't know how other people do it, but basically in our culture you host it where your mom lives. It's not rules, but that's just how things are used to being done. So they are currently on the way. I think my mom is talking to them right now. They're actually a little bit late, so I just thought, let me vlog today. Guys, my mom did me dirty. So last night I arrived from Mahalapia, right? I was there on business, right? So I came back yesterday evening, ne? I'm chilling. My mom is like, we need to buy some things, obviously, because visitors are gonna come breading out, because it's still morning, at least bread, teas, whatever, because we don't know what they prefer drinking. I got it. And then as she's talking, she's like, oh, by the way, they might want to see you. Girl, you're saying that now? This morning my uncle comes to my house with his wife. So my aunt is like, what are you gonna wear? I'm busy ironing a dress. I don't know why I was ironing a dress. I thought I was gonna go to the salon this morning, but we were busy cleaning the house, the yard. It was a mess. She tells me I should wear something below my knees, whatever, preferably a dress or whatever. Luckily I have this with Daisy. I'm gonna show you guys. Honestly, if I knew that this was such a big deal and they would want to see me, I would have gotten a bomb-ass outfit. I would have went to at least Game City to get this ready-made Daisy dress. That's just gonna suit me well, but it's okay. So I didn't go to the salon. I just tried to tie my hair like this right now. I just want to do my eyebrows with a little bit of gel, a little bit of foundation, just a tiny bit, some lip gloss. I am starving, literally. So yeah, let's get ready to meet my future in-laws. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. We have waited for this day for so long. My partner and I were literally about to give up. I swear to God. Like, I'm even about to cry. Like, that's just how excited I am and just how much of a breakthrough this is. Guys, we fought. We fought. I don't even know how to say this to you guys. Like, I'm even becoming emotional. We fought to be here. I kid you not. We fought, guys. We prayed. We fasted. It was actually taking a toll on our relationship. Like, I don't think people understand just how difficult it has been for us, you know. So I'm really, really happy that this day is here, that this is going to happen. And I feel like I need to celebrate today, like just them being here. You have no idea what it took. But yeah, I have to go.
But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of.
I actually forgot to tell you guys. I thought you guys were not on. I'm using this raggedy as mirror. Please forgive me. So I literally just opened, well, not even me, but I opened the Bridal Shower group. Luckily, most of my friends were willing to throw a bridal shower for me. I'm so happy about that. Like, the sacrifices these ladies are making, because I actually didn't tell most people that I was engaged. Obviously, because shortly after our engagement, I was going to share the news with my friends and all that. But we were facing a little bit of an issue with our parents. So because I was stressed about that, my partner was stressed about that, we just thought, you know what, telling more people is going to be so frustrating on the both of us. I'm so sorry if this thing is making a noise. I am so sorry about that. So I'm glad that my friends were willing. Honestly, I didn't want to tell a lot of people because it was so frustrating. Like, the few friends that I told already were on my neck. Like, I'm telling you, we are having delays, pray with us and everything, but every single day. Okay, not every day, but it was irritating, you know, obviously, because I had to my friends would be the first people to know. So it was kind of frustrating on my side already, and my partner, you know, when my friends are asking, you know, how's it going with the planning? Here way. Like, it's already frustrating me because every chance I would get, you know, we'll talk about it. But honestly, it was not a nice thing at all. And I think I actually regretted telling most people that I told. Like, other people were supportive, you know, once in a while we'll talk about it, but not them saying it from a point, or my partner doesn't want us to get married and stuff like that, which was so irritating, you know, to hear from people. So I kind of had regrets. So because of that, I actually didn't tell, you know, the rest of my friends until this year, actually, you know. So I'm really, really glad that most of them didn't take any offense from that. Most of them actually understood, because I kind of told them, you know, like, we were having trouble with this and that. So I just didn't want to, you know, add on to the stress that I already had, you know, talking about this when I don't know when it's going to happen. So I'm happy that we're here, and I'm going to have a beautiful bridal shower. We're going to have a beautiful wedding. We are a few weeks away from the wedding, actually. But we have not paid for any decor. The quotations are crazy, okay? The quotations are crazy when I tell you. So we haven't paid for any decor. We haven't paid for any venue. My dream wedding venue has always been Coffee State, but I went to view it last week, 2 weeks back, and when I tell you that they cancelled the garden site that my partner and I wanted to use, they did. And so the only option would be to use a conference room. It's so ugly, I can't. But that would have been such an advantage, you know, hosting a wedding there, because they would do the catering and we wouldn't have to stress about that. Now we have to stress about who's gonna cook, what are they gonna cook, and whole menu, and then also the venue. So we are leaning more towards Caserio Farmhouse now. That's actually the venue I wanted for my bridal shower, but I told my partner about it, showed him some videos because I also went to view it. He wasn't around, so he was like, "This is actually beautiful. We could have our wedding here." I'm like, "Really? You think so?" He's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Okay, no, let's wait till you're here. Then we can go view the place together. Then we can pay the deposit, and then get serious, finalize with the decor, and then I think we'll be good." We are not going to have any bridesmaids or grooms and men. My hands are so dark, guys, like literally my hands are so dark, it irritates me so much. My hands are so dark, so I need to get a scrub, sunscreen for my hands, because I need this ring to be popping on my finger, okay? So yeah, I think that's just it. I'm so excited to be updating you guys about this, although you guys are gonna see this very late, but I'm so excited. We are getting married. I'm so happy. Anyway, I have to go. They're here now. So bye. I wish I could vlog the whole thing for you guys, but that would be so... That's not possible.
Life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here, 'cause maybe in time you'll see, maybe I can be all you need. Yeah, lay all your love on me. Mama's here. Oh, I wrote a lullaby for you.
Guys, it's so cold. It's so cold. So my aunt brought me some food to eat and hot coffee. This bedroom is the coldest in this whole house, okay? I literally wanted to borrow the heater from my brother. It's so cold. We are at Kino Custom Suits. Bam. We are here to make my baby suit. Measurement. So we're here to take measurements to get his suit done for the actual ceremony, right? When we get married. What? As usual, I'm gonna be whispering in this vlog throughout. Today is my lobola negotiation day, so I'm at my uncle's house. I'm helping my aunt cook and all that. I'm gonna shoot a little video for you guys, so you see my in-laws. Anyways, oh, there comes my uncle. I can see him. He is rushing here. Yeah, I don't know. I love this. I love this for me. I love this for myself. I'm happy. Not my cousin removing my aunt's cutlery buying. I guess it's about time. This is what we cooked. Hey guys, so I am currently in Mahalape. It's the 1st of July. My family is having the very last meeting before the wedding. I think base side of the family is gonna have the last meeting on the 8th, I guess. On the 8th, So let's go. I don't usually attend like these meetings. I don't know why. I get updates from either my mom, my uncle, or my aunt. I just thought, let me fill you guys in. Gotta go. Bye.
Future.
Hi guys. I literally forgot about you guys. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday the 5th of July. It was my baby's birthday 2 days back. I did not vlog. Yeah, I didn't vlog. But it was his last birthday as a bachelor. Okay? Maybe your next birthday you're gonna be a whole entire husband.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
I'm flabbergasted.
So yeah, today we are from Muruti. We got our documents that we need to take to Molaudi. So right now we're looking for parking by BBS because that's where we want to go. Molaudi
Commissioner
District Commissioner. So that's where we are. They're gonna give us a piece of paper or a list, says Muruti, that we're gonna take to church. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. I think we're gonna have to wait 21 days and then we're free to get married and get our marriage certificate. Okay? Okay? You're gonna officially call me Mrs. K. I'm happy. But yeah, I'm happy but I'm stressed at the same time because there's just a lot going on. There's a lot going on. Getting married is the pits. It's the most painful thing I've ever experienced in my life. But you know what? By the grace of God, we are going to get married. We're going to have a beautiful wedding, a beautiful ceremony. We're going to have a beautiful union from the beginning until the end. Because Emma.
Cara, que video ama?
One thing about this vlog is that it's going to be all over the place. It's going to be bits and pieces. I cannot vlog the whole day. So as and when something interesting happens, I will fill you guys in. So, Bakang over the weekend went to Johannesburg. So she brought us a few things that we needed, including like my beads. I need those for my dress. You guys are gonna see my dress. It's so cute. So I figured, I haven't told you guys exactly what we're doing. So yesterday we went to Molaudi, obviously, to becha our names. I'm too lazy to explain the whole process, but basically le becha maina, and then they ask you all the places you've ever lived, so that if there's anyone you've dated or promised to marry or whatever, they can come forth and oppose the wedding. So yeah, we did say that I've lived in Francistown, Maung, I'm from Mahalape, now live in Gibbs, my partner as well. So they're gonna put our names on the notice board, I think either in Okhotla or Molaudi offices of, you know, all those areas. So that's what we want to do. After 21 days, we are free to get married. I almost said the dates. I don't want to do that. So yeah, we're gonna go to Molaudi after 21 days. So I wanted to show you guys my boo's wedding scent. So he's going to be using the Creed Aventus as his like wedding fragrance, wedding scent. My dream scent was the Delina Exclusive, as recommended by Zizi Muloko. I don't know what it smells like, but I did my research. I'm sure I'm going to love it. Bagan didn't find it in Skins Cosmetics in Johannesburg. It's not on our website. It's sold out. They said they're gonna restock in 2 weeks, and I know somebody who's gonna be traveling to Joburg in 2 weeks. And then Mamzi's also traveling abroad, so I don't know if she's gonna be able to find the Delina exclusive. If she doesn't, then I'll ask the lady that's going to Joburg in 2 weeks to bring it for me. So I just wanted to show you guys but it's wrapped. My partner's perfume is wrapped. But I also bought my wedding shoes. I had something that I wanted from Steve Madden. I'm gonna put a picture besides here, but she couldn't find it in Steve Madden, so I just had to settle. I felt like, you know what, if I keep postponing everything, saying no, so and so is gonna go to Joburg, I will get it then. I don't even have my hair, because the lady that's going to Joburg in 2 weeks said she's gonna gift me with hair, so she's going to buy my wedding hair. So I just felt kind of weird. I'm like, Bakang, please just take those shoes, they look cute. I don't want to have to panic, you know, last minute and have to buy things locally and just settle for things that I actually don't want. So that's just that. We've paid for the decor, we've paid for the venue, haven't paid for DJ, haven't paid for our performances, haven't paid the makeup artist as well. So we are going to have our mahadi in the morning, and then in the evening we're going to have our wedding celebration, where we're going to get married first with the church ceremony, and then have our wedding reception. So we are going to be hosting it in a garden. I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm so happy. I'm getting married to my best friend. To the man of my dreams, literally. I'm not even joking. Please don't settle. Thanks, bye. So this is it. The kids' shoes are from a brand called Lamara Paris. Don't ask me anything, I don't know. They just look cute. So Bakang asked her to take them. Boo's perfume cologne in here, the Creed Aventus, and then my shoes. So let me just show you guys. How cute are these? These are literally perfect. So my girls both wear like a size 13. So we took 2 of these. They look so cute. I don't know, I don't think I like the idea of kids wearing heels. So I wanted them to wear flats, be comfortable, be cute. And then the Creed Aventus is in here, but like I said, it's wrapped. Oopsie. It's wrapped. He has not unboxed this, so I will wait for him to do the honors. I'm actually going out now. I'm not really waiting for my partner. Let me.
All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you. What happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but we need a lot of baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here.
So look about.
Now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in, that you're to blame. We could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby.
So we are done at Auditia. We are headed towards King City. So I'll keep you posted on my day.
And go straight. Drive a cafe.
But if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here, 'cause maybe in time
Here for pedicure.
you'll see. Maybe I can be
You're
all
welcome.
you need. Yeah, your love.
Oh yeah.
On me. Mama's here. Oh, I wrote a lullaby for you. Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you. What happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby?
Happy birthday, girl.
Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life. But if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby
Talk to the Rico. Mata pessoas que se compõem meu mais. Jo, isso. Eu tenho que pôr.
All the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in, that you're to blame. We could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone get
Hey guys. Welcome to another day in this vlog. I don't even know what's what, but today we are having our first service in CRC Kugwave. I'm so excited. And guess who's launching the notice board? Take a guess. Take a wild guess. So yeah, I am expecting our names to be on the notice board. I'll show you
instead of hours already. That's a great achievement already as it is.
Maybe in time you'll see. Maybe I can be all you need. Yeah,
Hey guys, today is, what day is it? It's Monday. We are going for a site visit with our decor lady. So yeah, things are coming together. Things are coming together. I'm sure it's going to look beautiful. I'm honestly not happy with how that lawn looks. Honestly, it looks so dry. It looks like they don't take care of it. But I really hope with some decor it will look better. Honestly, it stresses me out. But at this point, there's nothing I can do. Because I think the owners of the venue are not being helpful, if I put it that way. So it's kind of like a take or leave thing. So I get it because I like that venue, I like the rooms. It's kind of our problem. So hurried customer service, but it is what it is. Let's go for a site visit. Let's see what the decor lady is gonna recommend. I'm getting excited day by day. I also need to do my nails. My bridal shower is fast approaching, and I don't want to leave everything for like the last minute. So yeah, let's go. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
broken future, all the plans